Good day, Orteans. Your lecturer for today is Professor Allan Santos, top 5 in the March 2012 Criminology's licensure examination. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell button to receive the latest updates. Take it away, Allan.
So let us now proceed to this. Okay, ano na tayo, no? Okay, soil na tayo, geology, forensic geology. Okay, so let us now proceed to this one. Lupa. Okay, tapos na tayo sa salamin. Lupa naman tayo. Okay. So, siyempre, di ba? Importante rin to eh. Although mahirap din to i-analyze, no? Pero, no? Forensic geologies, okay? Geology. No, ni-rape ng lalaki, rapid homicide sa bukid, may mga putik. Okay. And then, na-arrest yung tao, yung jacket, may mga lupa. No, para ma-determine ko, itong lupa na to, ito yung lupa doon sa crime scene. Ito ang ginagamit. So, anong characteristic of soil, okay, is being compared for, okay, forensic analysis? What is the answer, guys? What is the answer? Ano sagot niyo rito? Okay, what is the answer? Anong characteristic of soil is being compared? Okay? So, okay, nice try, Raven. John Eric, nice try. Okay? Okay, Teddy. The answer, tama ka, Teddy. Okay, the answer is mineral content. So, I want you to take note, ha? Yung mga hindi pa nakakalam, pagdating sa lupa, ang characteristic na subject for comparison is mineral content. Mineral content. So, ito yung nagpe-perform ng comparison ng lupa, no, of the content of the soil found in the suspect, no, to the soil in the crime scene. So, ano sagot dito, guys? Ito yung expert pagdating sa soil comparison sa pag-determine ng mineral content. What is the answer? Okay. What is the answer? Okay. Teddy, sumagot si Teddy. How about the others? Anong sagot? Parang right net lang. Huwag mahihiyang sumagot. Magtanong. Okay. So, tama, okay. Iba-iba ang sagot. The answer is, tama ka, Raven. Forensic geology. So, tandaan nyo na, specific yung tanong. It's about crime scene. It's about comparison of soil found in the suspect. Okay? So, kapag science lang, no? Okay, that is geologist, no? Malawak kasi yun eh. Forensic geologist is the correct answer. Okay, alpha. Okay? Yun. Kaya ikaw ang investigador. Okay? And then, kakuha ka ng soil sa suspect. And then, kukuha ka na ng evidentiary, no, sample. Evidentiary representative o representative sample. Lupa. Gaano kalayo dapat? Within how many yards para maging accurate ang comparison mo? Okay? Within how many yards para maging accurate ang comparison mo? Dapat, for example, doon sa bukid, kailangan doon sa pinaka-crime scene, okay, pinaka-primary crime scene, hanggang saan dapat ka kumuha ng lupa? Kasi mas malayo pa doon, hindi na yun accurate. What is the answer? So ba ay 50 yards, 100 yards, 150 yards, or 200 yards? What is the answer? Okay, almost all of you answered. Okay, but I want you to remember, ang sagot dito, guys, no? Huwag kayong malilito. 100 yards. Okay, so take note of that. 100 yards. Okay? Answer is 100 cards. Don't forget, ha? Let us now proceed. Number 25. Okay? So, dito na tayo sa ating favorite. Okay? Dito na tayo mag-focus ngayon sa ating isa sa mga pinakagusto nating topic. So, it is a colorless liquid. Anong sagot, guys? It is a colorless liquid normally diluted with water. Uy, alam na alam ni Teddy, ni Alwin at Raven. Si John, alam na alam. Okay. It is depressant which affects the central nervous system. Okay. So take note, ha, it is a colorless liquid as a beverage. Okay, so hindi naman yan beverage ang barbiturate solvent, volatile substance. Masarap numin. Okay. So Dong, okay, alam din ni Dong. Okay, ni John, ni Raven, alam. The answer is alcohol. Okay. So alcohol is the answer for this. Diyan na tayo mag-focus, ha. Alcohol na tayo mag-focus ngayon. Yun, ha? Ito technique, no? Pero kasama rin to, guys, sa pinag-aaralan natin. Yes, Jodeline. Ikaw ba, Jodeline? Okay. Let us now proceed to this one. Okay? Technique to, guys, ha? Pag uminom ka ng alak, how will it take for an alcohol to be absorbed entirely in the bloodstream? An average human drinking an empty to modesty full stomach. Walang laman, sa may konting laman na tiyan, no? Gaano katagal bago ma-absorb ng katawan o mapunta ang alcohol sa ating dugo? Anong sagot? No, techniques ito eh. Kaya nga, di ba? Para hindi ka madaling malasing, you need to eat. Talagang kumain ka muna ng madami, full stomach. Kasi kapag empty or may konting laman lang, hindi ka masyadong tatagal. Okay? So, technique yan, ha? Technique. Sabi ni Alwin, letter D. Okay? Sabi ni Wilmer, aba si Wilmer, alam na alam ang technique sa kasi Raven na. Okay, alam na alam nyo ang technique. No? Mukhang alam nyo na itong pinagbabawal na technique na ito. Yes, so alam na alam nila itong pinagbabawal na technique na ito, ah. Okay. Tama, no? Tama si Wilmer, Raven. Okay, si Jezabel din, tama. Okay. The answer is 3 to 90 minutes. Okay, so I want you to remember, isulat sa mga hindi nakakaalam, ang empty to modesty full stomach. Okay? No, ang alcohol ay pupunta sa dugo mo o hahalo na sa dugo mo kapag no 3:30 to 90 minutes, so magkakaroon ka na diyan, no, ng konting ng mga effects ng pagkalasing. Okay? So I want you to remember that. Pupunta na sa utak mo 'yan dahil nagsi-circulate ang dugo. Yung dugo na may dala ng alcohol. Okay? Tama si Teddy, magbabarik, sir. Okay. So, paano naman kapag yan, di ba? Kumain ng madami, pero malalasing at malalasing ka pa rin. Kahit kumain ka ng madami. Pero gaano katagal? Okay, gaano katagal? Okay, gaano katagal? How it will take for an alcohol to be absorbed entirely into the bloodstream in an average human drinking during a full stomach? Anong sagot? Anong sagot dito? Okay? Anong sagot dito na kapag ikaw ay kumain, full stomach ka, and then ikaw ay uminom, gaano katatagal sa inuman? Okay, ng ano. Pero ito guys, this is an average human. No? Pero kung ikaw ay malaho kagi, ang no, ang pangangatawan, okay, malahok kage, yung iyong tolerance, alcohol tolerance, pwede ka bang lumagpas? No? Kung sa meron ngang iba, ilang araw na no? Pag birthday, ang celebration, 3 araw. Okay. So, ano ang sagot? So, sumagot si John Eric. Okay? Okay, para kay Justin, kunyari ka pa. Sa akin siguro, sir, 2 to 4. Huwag mo kaming bulahin. Ako, alam kong alam mo. Okay? Para sa akin, sir. So, tama ka, Raven. Okay? The answer is 2 to 4 hours. So, tatagal ka hanggang 2 hanggang 4 na oras bago ang alcohol ay ma-absorb ng iyong bloodstream. So, I want you to remember that, no? Please isulat para ma-review nyo pa. No? Although I will submit all this presentation to Sir Ortea.
If you want to learn more from him, take our Road to 1 Million challenge. If this channel hits 1 million subscribers, we will release the rest of his lectures. Or you can watch the rest of his lectures now by enrolling in Ortea Criminology Review. Just message us on our Facebook account for more details. See you soon, Orteans!